Gusto ko talagang makatry ng iba't ibang klase ng ham before mag-end ang 2023. This time naman, isang brand na nagsiserve sa atin ng masarap na ham since 1956. It's Majestic Ham. Sabi nga ng iba, yung taste nito is really majestic. Ang gusto ko dito, nakakabay ka by the gram. Ito yung price list, screenshot nyo na lang for your reference. O diba, pwedeng makabili ng 100 grams lang para lang matikman mo and makadecide ka kung ito talaga yung gusto mong ihain sa Noche Buena. I decided to try this again and the quality and taste is same pa rin as I remember. Alam nyo, Majestic uses oak barrels to cure their meat. And they have it smoked with aromatic woods and aged for full flavor. Halos ka-price lang din niya yung last ham na na-try ko, which is Adelinas. Super high quality yung meat. Yung lasa niya is a little salty and mas smoky itong ham na to. Nakadagdag din sa sarap yung pagka-slice ni ate ng super thin. Ang sarap niya kainin and papakin. I imagine having this alongside sa cheese platter sa Noche Buena. Grabe, ang daming masarap na ham. Ang hirap mamili. It's just a matter of preference. I like Majestic kasi high quality, masarap, and marami siyang branches, kaya madaling bumili, and that's a plus for me.